Are you searching for a way to earn more money or to live a better lifestyle? Are you tired of working long hours and never seeing your family? Well, now you can have more time, money and freedom to live life on your terms. Introducing a genuine business that offers low startup costs, unlimited earning potential, no products to ship, weekly income and luxury 5-star holidays at 1-star prices. Imagine being your own boss, having financial freedom, working from home and having more free time with your family. Time to enjoy luxury holidays anytime you want and getting paid handsomely even while you're away. Our exclusive travel membership allows you to secure a lifetime of holidays for you and your family at luxury resorts, hotels, beach villas and international cruises and never pay full price again. Everyone dreams of taking luxury holidays for fun and relaxation, excitement and romance, or to spend quality time with loved ones. But how would you like to make a weekly income just by sharing this exclusive membership with others? Right now there's an overwhelming demand for our products and men and women from all walks of life with no previous experience are using our step-by-step system to earn thousands of dollars a week. This is a proven business that enables you to earn a full-time income working part-time from home or anywhere you choose to travel. There's no inventory to stock, no meetings to attend, and no presentations to memorize. It really doesn't get any better than this. That's why people in over 50 countries, from stay-at-home mums to executives and professionals, are joining our business. Does earning thousands of dollars a week from home sound good to you? Wouldn't you like to get out of the rat race and enjoy the lifestyle you deserve? If you're looking for a legitimate business that can change your family's future forever, take a look. We'll show you how you can start creating the lifestyle of your dreams today.